Good morning, dear students. Welcome to your online class. Children, today we will learn about various notes and coins prevalent in our country. Dear children, I bought pencil box for rupees 35, sketch pen for rupees 50 and a small teddy bear for rupees 100. Similarly, Kiran bought a pencil for rupees 5. Geeta bought a eraser for rupees 2 and Amanjot bought a notebook for rupees 20. Dear children, we come to know that in order to buy the things from the market, we need money, and money in the form of notes and various coins. Let's learn about these notes and various coins which are present in our country. We will recognize these notes and coins one by one. This is 1 rupee note. Dear children, it's 2 rupee note. This is 5 rupee note. It's 10 rupee note, dear children. This is 20 rupee note. This is 50 rupee note. This is 100 rupee note. These are some of the notes present in our country ranging from value 1 to 100. Dear children, now let's see some of the coins. This is 1 rupee coin. It's 2 rupee coin. This is 5 rupee coin and it's 10 rupee coin. Dear children, we are also having notes of these four values: 1 rupee note, 2 rupee note, 5 rupee note and 10 rupee note. These are notes and the coins ranging from 1 to 100 prevailing in our country. Every country has its own currency symbol. In India, we use this symbol to represent our money. Remember, dear children, it's always used before the value of money to represent our currency. This is the symbol for our currency. Now, dear children, come to page number 92. We will solve some of the questions to clear our concept. In the first question, 2 notes of 10 are given and 1 5 rupee coin. We have to tell what is the value of these given notes. 10, 20, 5, 25. So the value of these notes is 25. Second question is 1 20 rupee note, 1 10 rupee coin, then 5 rupee coin. We have to tell the value of this note and 2 coins. Its value is 20, 1 10 rupee coin 30, 1 5 rupee coin 35. So here its answer is 35. Dear children, in this question, we have to draw the different coins equal to the given money. Here rupees 25 are given and we have to draw the various coins. We will draw 5 coins of rupee 5 equal to 25. We can do it in one another way also, dear students. We can draw 3 coins of 5 and 1 coin of rupee 10, 15, 10, 25. We can do it in another way also. Here we can draw 12 coins of rupee 2 and 1 coin of rupee 1 equal to 25. Now next is rupee 30. You can do it yourself. Dear children, now it's time for past question. Here 2 notes are given to us. One is 20 rupee note, other is 5 rupee note. We have to tick the correct value of these notes. 20 plus 5. Its value is equal to 25. Yes, very good. Correct answer is 25. We will put tick in front of the D option.